John Mary Irankunda akahambwa hasande obwo abazire be babiro bagira akerezi yo kushaba
n'ubujura kasati ka mutari twumagamba gari
abazire ba Irankunda nabajango bakayikomuka bamuronda yabura kandi kwihobwo bakatanuka kwakira amasumu garukuruga owo wamuhambere obwo ari kubashaba miliyoni 8 okurekura omwana wabo.
I started bargaining with him from 8 million we reached to 5 million, and I even went further to beseech him, apologizing to him that I never handled him badly.
Umutware wanje ko yamuhayeho miliyoni 2 n'imitwaro 10 aravuga ngo izo ni nkeya umwana nto yamuduha.
That was Saturdays this last month.
Oyibero omwana ogu atwire nakorerishe wo mwana ari kumurisi z'amatungo.
The thief had stolen a phone from my relative. The thief used that phone to terrorize me.
As a parent, he panicked, and I think he gave out money worth about 2 million without the accompaniment of the security operatives so that they could trap where that money was being taken. Because after giving out the money, even the phone the abductor was using was switched off.
Abazire no bote bine bwekoro aho kwihempi hezi kandi amasiko bagino mu government okora birombe byo kwerinda okubazahurira omwana wabo.
Masks, phone masks are showing us that the culprit is near Rutembe Bugeyo village.
Haj Abdul Sebyara RDC wa KISORO yahamza abazire ingwabe byo kwerinda bariyoni bakora nkenche bebe okureba ngo omwana ogu yayihwa yatine kamogo.
But our CROs, the CMY and other crime intelligence officers are helping us to see how can we track this guy who took our kid.
Yes, hello.
Gasha kwa Kate atuzarirwe omuri KISORO.